Virtual Reel review. I'm going to be showing you a cool software that's going to allow you to create virtual videos from images, videos, text. It can be your own or other people's videos. This is a really neat software. I'm going to show you exactly how it works today. I'm going to show you some real examples of it so you'll know exactly what this is before you decide to purchase. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, and I'm going to show you a special bundle discount deal where you can get the front end offer and all the OTOs for a one-time price. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Virtual Reel, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, get ready, this will be huge in 2022 and beyond. Brand new artificial intelligence software suite lets you turn any video, image, or text into an animated virtual reality metaverse video with 3D characters, text, and more within seconds, even if the content isn't yours. Use this amazing software for your business, or you can sell this as a service. It's up to you what you want to do with that. This is like exactly what it says. It allows you to create these really cool videos. I want to actually show you here. They've got some proof of like using these to get traffic with on YouTube, because YouTube's going to like these because there's not a lot of these videos on YouTube, and you can actually upload these to YouTube. I'll show you in a second here. They get more proof of people actually creating actual channels based completely around this whole virtual reality thing. If you look on YouTube, there's like channels coming out about this, selling on Class VR. So there's like VR classes or something. That's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. So here's an example. Now what I'm going to do is they've got audio on this as well. I'm going to quickly shut the audio off because I don't want the copyright people to come after me, because there's a audio there. I don't know if it's where the audio comes from, but here I'll show you this. Look, see this video right here, and you'll see there's a little audio. I'm going to show it for a second. All right, so there's a little audio there. Anyways, if you look around, like this video, I'm dragging and dropping here. So there's like video inside the video, another video inside the video, and I can move my mouse around and do this. And you can make these yourself from your phone. If you've got just a basic Android or iPhone phone, you can actually make these. I show you how to do that as well. You can use done for you content to create these. You can zoom in and out of these different things. I'm gonna show you another one. This is like really neat. Here's another one here. I'm gonna turn off the volume so I don't get in trouble. Look, like here's a person doing yoga, and you can like scroll around, or you could have anything you wanted to on this. Here, you could go and you could do a virtual video of someone's like real estate. You could do it for a business. Here's another one, panoramic video here. I'm gonna turn the audio off just in case. And I'm gonna play this one here. So like there's an animated thing going on up there from this. There's nothing, the birds are moving around over here. Little bugs moving around. You could do little lessons and stuff with this too. I mean, it's up to you what you want to do with this. Let's take a look at this one. This is kind of cool too. And look, it's moving. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Really neat. So yeah, I mean, you can do whatever you want with this, and it teaches you how, of course, how to do all this inside. The step one, you log into the dashboard, you pick 6 different ways that you can create these virtual reality videos. Step 2, customize your video, add in your music, voiceovers, captions, logos, watermarks, text, images, videos, whatever you want to put in it, and then you render it on the cloud, download it on your computer, and you can publish it on Facebook or YouTube. So you can, these, like when these embedded videos here, these are embedded right on YouTube. This isn't some like special player here. This is just YouTube, and it's working on there. Like some people ask, like there'll be video creators that will come out and they'll have like special things that they do, but they'll only work if you play them like on a website or something. This works directly in YouTube, which is really cool. Okay, so let's go down here. You set up your thing, full customization. 500 3D custom-made VR video backgrounds, thousands of VR video footage, all with Creative Commons license, so you're not going to get in trouble. A VirtualReel iPhone and Android app, record audio directly inside the app, upload VR videos directly to your YouTube channel easily, create VR videos up to 30 minutes long. So it looks like they've got a 30 minutes, so it's a 20-minute per video would be amazing, but 30 minutes per video, that's what this is going to give you. I bet there's going to be an upgrade. 10 different voice accents, text-to-speech, millions of images. I mean, they've got syndicate your VR video creations across a number of platforms, cloud-based, yada, yada, yada. I'm not going to read through everything. There's too much stuff to read here. But you can use this for anything. I mean, anyone that's selling anything online, if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're selling these as a service, however you want to do this. I'm going to scroll down. These sales pages are crazy. Okay, so there's two licenses. There's a commercial and there's a personal. Most people get the commercial one because it gives you a bunch more stuff, more bonuses, and it's just a little bit more money with this. So yeah, that's the front end offer. I'm going to play you a quick video showing this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the back end area, the OTOs, and the special bundle deal.
In this short video, I'm going to show you a brand new, first-of-its-kind cloud-based software that is going to help you generate tons of new leads, sales, and profits in the metaverse in a few simple steps by creating VR videos. While the world is dealing with all that's happening, businesses losing money, people losing jobs, the virtual reality and metaverse industry has been growing exponentially since 2021. The virtual reality and metaverse business will generate $48 billion this year in the US alone. And it's expected to grow and generate over $828 billion in the next 2 to 3 years. That's billion with a B. Ordinary people like Mike from Virtual Reality Oasis, who launched his VR YouTube channel in 2015, has over 500,000 subscribers and generated over 86 million views on his VR videos. Same way, hundreds and thousands of ordinary people just like you and me are profiting and making big bucks simply by creating and sharing their knowledge online using VR videos on YouTube, ClassVR.com, and other social media sites. 30 million viewers watch videos every single day. All these viewers will start watching VR videos going forward, since VR videos are the next step in video evolution with the introduction of Web 3.0 and Metaverse. VR videos are the fastest way to build an email list, a huge social media following by standing out from everyone else, and to make a passive income online. However, creating a good VR video is hard. You need expensive camera gear, complex video editing software, 3D graphic skills, spend days creating storyboards, spend hours trying to create one video, continuously starting over because of messing up, designing everything, formatting, rendering, and whatnot. It's simply not easy. And forget about outsourcing to $100 per hour expensive freelancers. Now, imagine if you could create stunning-looking virtual reality videos in minutes, just in a few clicks. Imagine if you could sit down, pick from templates, or upload your own videos, clips, images, or text, and create a VR video. That's the idea I got in my head a few years ago when we first launched Reel Apps. And after years of hard work, testing, adding improvements, and running beta groups, I'm proud to introduce to you VirtualReel, world first and only VR video creation platform. VirtualReel uses AI to turn any video, image, or text into an animated virtual reality metaverse video with 3D characters, text, and more within seconds, even if the content isn't yours. Simply log into the VirtualReel dashboard and you'll see multiple options to create VR videos. You can create a VR video from scratch using ready-made VR video templates. You can create a VR video by turning panoramic images into VR videos. You can copy-paste text and let the AI convert it into a VR video for you. You can turn your existing video or other existing video into VR video. And finally, you can turn a VR video into an auto-spin video. Pick one of these options. Select from hundreds of VR video footage or 3D backgrounds and start customizing your new VR video with text, animated 3D characters, video clips from our library, or upload your own, images from our huge library of millions of stock-free images, or upload your own. Add your music, voiceover, text-to-speech, and finally preview the VR video and start rendering it on the cloud. Once the VR video is ready, you can either download it to your computer or publish it directly online to your new VR YouTube channel right from inside the dashboard in just a click. See how easy it is to use VirtualReel to create a VR video. Using VirtualReel, you can create VR videos and courses for the metaverse and be first to market. Turn any video, image, or text into animated VR metaverse fast. Create VR videos and ads from content you don't even own and dominate multiple niches. Create VR and metaverse video channels on YouTube and other platforms for passive income. Build a true six-figure agency in 2022 selling VR video creation as a service. Upload, edit, and publish 360-degree videos you shoot from your phone. Upload, edit, and turn panoramic images into VR videos. Tap into the booming metaverse industry at ground level. Using VirtualReel, you can not only create VR videos for social media, but also create a brand new YouTube channel for profits. Tap into tons of buyers and earn affiliate commissions by creating VR review videos. Create video sales letters, sales videos, courses in metaverse, or even create videos for your clients. Wait, did I just say clients? That's right. VirtualReel, for a limited period of time, comes packed with a commercial usage license. This gives you unrestricted rights to use VirtualReel to create VR videos for your clients and charge them thousands. Online and local businesses are always looking for VR videos to promote their business in the metaverse, and using VirtualReel, you can easily create a stunning-looking animated VR video within minutes. And on top of all this, there's nothing to install, there's no monthly fee, no forced watermarks, and no limited rights. No catch. Forget blowing $800 on complicated VR video editing tools. Forget spending $67 per month for animation tools and template clubs that take you weeks to master. Forget paying freelancers $50, $75, or even $150 per video. VirtualReel is the VR video creation app that you need. The VR videos you'll create using this are guaranteed to get you results in the new Web 3.0. It's proven. Simply log into your cloud-based dashboard from any device, including your tablets, and start cranking out stunning VR videos using VirtualReel in minutes. VirtualReel is currently available for a ridiculously low introductory one-time price. Click the button below and get instant access to your VirtualReel account. But you need to hurry, because the longer this is in the market, the higher the price is going to be. In fact, the price you're seeing right now is the lowest possible price, and is increasing every few hours. This low price won't last much longer. Look below to find a full walkthrough of VirtualReel, more details and examples along with a complete feature list. We look forward to making it easier for you to create VR videos for your business, helping you make more sales using videos in the metaverse, even if you're just starting out. VirtualReel will give you an early and unfair advantage over all the other video marketers. Get access below, and we look forward to connecting and helping you inside the VirtualReel dashboard. This exclusive launch time discount is only available for the next few hours.
Okay, so this is the backend area you'll have access to after your purchase. You can see you've got these different ways of creating these videos with this, like create a VR video from scratch, from a regular video, from a panoramic image, from a text, and from a VR video. So it's up to you how you want to do that. Each one's different. They've got training how to do that. The first OTO here is going to give you unlimited. This is going to give you unlimited videos, 10 professional new video templates. You can do 1080p, and you can get 30 minutes in length here with the 1080p. Unlimited reel merge, so it allows you to join videos together. Unlimited animation, all these unlimited things. So if you want to increase your license up with this one, you can get the unlimited version, and that one is, I want to try to find the price for you. I imagine this is around 97 for this, but it's not showing me the price here, but it's going to give you that one right there. So the next one here is, this one's going to 10 times your results, unlock international voiceovers, translations, and 12 different video styles. So this is going to give you the professional version. The next one here is start a virtual reality video creation video agency. So this is going to give you like agency website, white label, rebranding, reseller license, all these different things to do with this one. The next one here is going to give you, you can add clickable buttons, opt-in forms, menus, links, and autoplay to any video. Of course, you will need to embed those on a website. So it doesn't work on like YouTube, those clickable buttons, just so you know. That's 67. Next one here is hungry for virtual reality video services in 3 clicks. This is going to give you a bunch of extra like services that you can provide people, VR leads, so you can get more leads to find more paying customers. Okay, so here's the last one. This is the bundle. And with the bundle, you get everything here with this, no monthly fees. And if you can put your email in here, you get a $50 discount off this. So it's $247 for this. You get the commercial license, you get the unlimited, you get the professional, you get the business, the player, you get the leads one, all these different ones included in this bundle. Now I'll have a link to both the front end offer. So if you want to go through the sales funnel, if you're not interested in the bundle, that's fine. I'll have a link to that below. I'll also have a link to the bundle. below. So you can decide which one. You can take a look at both of them if you want to and decide which one is right for you. But if you do decide to go through the sales funnel, you don't have to get all the OTOs. It's all up to you. They're all optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Virtual Reel and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I guess, I mean, you will have to spend a little bit of time creating the video, so you have to kind of put a little bit of time thinking like how you want it to be. I wouldn't just like put up a random video and expect that to get you get you traffic or anything. You're gonna want to be a little bit creative with it. So you will have to use your brain. That's my negative. Positive thing about this, I really like this. I think this is a really cool software. I'm going to be highly recommending this to my email list and to my YouTube channel. So if you guys are interested in doing virtual reality videos, it's a big thing. It's like this whole metaverse thing is huge right now. There's going to be a lot of people making money with this. If you want to get in on this right now, while it's fairly new, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Virtual Reel, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.